Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to attach a nozzle to a tool. This is just a generic, cheap tool that it shoots air, right? I don't know, I got it in some kit, and of course I threw my Teflon tape over there. So that's alright, we got more Teflon tape. So you take your Teflon tape, you get it right around them threads here on the nozzle. Try to keep it, wide, right? Try to keep it, I'm dropping my tape. Try to keep it wide so it covers a good area. Go around one or two times. Doesn't take a whole lot. And wow, that one was hard to rip. The other one was easy. Whew. This one was hard. Alright. Did not expect that. Now once you get that Teflon tape around there, just go ahead and put that right into the tool. And it doesn't matter what kind of tool it is. I mean, it could be a sprayer, it can be a it can be anything, right? Anyway, once you got that on there, oops, you can go ahead and get a gripper on there and just turn it. Just turn it. And once you got it on, make sure that the tool, it's still got air, it's still got compression. So we're going to take the nipple right into our air hose, pull back on the sleeve, drop her in there, put it forward, no hiss. No hiss at all. Alright, that's how you do it with no hiss. I don't know why I didn't do it on that one. And it doesn't matter what tool you're using. This is a framing nailer, right? I mean, nice big guy. But it already has its own little nipple on it, so I don't have to do any kind of an attachment to that. It's already ready for quick connect, so no need to do anything with that, but it's going to attach the same way. This one, that one looks like someone went way too far with the Teflon tape. Like way too far. Look at that. I think someone at work one day took my Teflon tape and was playing.